Last week, the Heap Car Challenge created some shocking moments.
Can you at least dry it off?
Really? Really? Did you put... Oh.
This week, Anthony, Dane and Levi will go head-to-head in an epic modifying showdown.
We started to kind of get that core support shifted up a little bit.
Once I got stuff going, it felt kind of like it was a giant snowball effect where stuff started happening really fast.
So I guess you could say I kind of had a visual of what I wanted this car to look like, but it was a lot of ordering new things while replacing old things at the same time.
For me, my parts were arriving. I was going to be ready to get to work on that stuff. Dan Digna, friend of the show, he wanted to come by and check out the shop, but he also wanted to help me with the car, which I thought was really cool, and I really appreciated that.
Will Dane's guest save his build?
Here is our vacuum leak, more than likely. You're not supposed to be able to do this.
Now, if you guys know me, you'll know that I find a lot of enjoyment. I find it very satisfying restoring cloudy, yellowed headlights.
Will Levi hack his way to victory?
The headlights were being held in place by speaker wire. Not like baling twine or anything stronger, speaker wire.
Find out this week on the Rag Company's Heap Car Challenge. A brand new episode coming August 22nd.